Welcome back to Crummy Perfection, where we make delicious recipes simple. This week, we're making a 5 ingredients bourbon sauce. We're going to start by separating the egg yolk from the egg whites. We're going to do this by cracking the egg into a bowl, grabbing the yolk with your hands, and then letting the egg whites run between your fingers. Pass it between both of your hands a couple times until you're left with just the yolk, and put that aside. Now we're going to add a quarter cup or half a stick of butter to a pot and melt that on low to medium heat. Once it's melted, we're going to add a quarter cup of sugar to this, 2 tablespoons of water, and the egg yolk. Stir it until it's combined, and then we're going to let this come to a boil. We'll let it cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to remove it from heat, add a tablespoon and a half of bourbon, and stir it together. Transfer it to another dish to cool, wait a few minutes, and you're ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out last week's video where we made chocolate chip whoopie pies.